Hello, my name is Mitya, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain how you can get data from LightAct to Unreal Engine. We are going to talk about sending custom data, whereas if you want to send camera data for projectors or things like that, there's another tutorial for that. I've got a startup project open, nothing special here, and here I'm going to create a Unreal Engine data sender node. So that's in the devices window. I'm going to click send already, and here I'm going to create a custom layer, and I'm going to create a send UE data node. All right, here I'm going to select the UE data sender, connect it like so, and type in test integer and some value. All right, so as you can see, we are already sending the data through this node. Now we just need to set everything up in Unreal Engine. So let's switch to UE. All right, so that is the Unreal Engine. I'm going to use a level blueprint, although that's apparently not the best way to do it, not the most organized way. So if you are working on a larger project, you might want to consider doing it in an actor or something like that. But for us, it's gonna work. So when you've installed LightAct plugin, you have a whole bunch of nodes in LightAct category. So you can just expand that and see there's a whole lot of them. But the one we'll be using first is this one, build key value pair collection from shared memory string. It's a mouthful, I know, but it works just fine. You see that's the handle name, LA to UE custom data, and the handle size is 1024 bytes. So that's what I'm going to type in here, 24, and connect it like so. All right, great. Then a nice habit is to actually use branch nodes here, because then you can see if there's an error. So I'm going to print string and connect it like so, and type in error with reading shared memory. All right, and then what we need to do, what this node does is it basically packs all the data that LightAct is sending into a map of strings to LightAct JSON value. So here we are detecting whether we are reading the data correctly. Now, how do we get the data out of this one? So the best way is to use these nodes, find JSON integer, because that's what we are sending from LightAct. So I'm just gonna create this node, connect it like so, connect it like so, and then type in test integer, because that is what we typed in LightAct. So like so, and then here again we are checking if we are actually getting the integer. All right, and then I'm gonna use another print string node like so and like so. All right, save, play, and here we are. So you see that we are receiving the data from LightAct, and just to be double sure, let's type in 456, and in here we should see 456. All right, now in this way, of course, you can send other data. For example, add vec3 and then test vec3, and then we can type into 3. And the idea is that in Unreal Engine, you always need to use a similar node to this one, which is find JSON and whatever data type you're sending from LightAct. This is what you should be using here, like so. And then what I like to use are sequence nodes in Unreal. Actually, it should be like so. Yep, it's getting a bit messy, like so, and then like so. I'm not gonna insert the I'm not gonna insert this brand just to make everything simpler, but I think you can do it like so and like so. And then if I press play, I'm seeing the Vex 3.